Ujor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kinay lam gajayan Student Union haga shidri unay lar arajar apun rio. Kila ujor daki ejar haga office Superintendent of Police ka East Jaintia Hills District halor ke jingja ke belajar haga step la puwete unay tung arajar apun rio hagi kinta syuawan sedang ya ke public hearing jong Shri Cement Limited la penlong daga Mengelai State Pollution Control Board haga shnong daistong East Jaintia Hills District. Kinay lam gaseng la ujor laki jong ki ejahar kata President ka GSU Central Body usamla Jersom Shilla but Education Secretary usamla Boshirumi Bosnam la ujor ya ki ejahar hak office USP ka East Jaintia Hills District bersha ya ka jingsha khanglan banishim binta hak public hearing ya kuwe par ki ejahar la mudoi no finance secretary usamla Triki Mukhim but Education Secretary usamla Bocherumi Bosnam. Haki pulit kumpleng outpost halo ka jingsha pinjulor ka kali ambulance ka GSU but ka jingsha pinmensaw unong niya ka kali ambulance hakamit la potre unay tung arajar apun rio haki brio kibamlaban itu. Haka juga por kasengla ujoru siya ka Mengelai Human Rights Commission persya USP ke East Jaintia Hills but ya kani ka ujor la mude do samla Boshirumi Bosnam perusamla Jersom Shilla. Shushu kasengla ujoru siya ka Mengelai Human Rights Commission halo ka jingsya pinjulor ka kali ambulance jong kaseng ya ka bla mude do samla Boshirumi Bosnam.
Nila wan poy ang niya po Superintendent of Police ban foil ya FIR halor ga jingjia ga bajia menen ba ngila yo I badon ga public hearing jong ka Shri Cement ka ay ga bang yo I menen kalong sisa ka dakas de ngala pa ang gasngi ga badum ba ga jingim jong ni kum gino ilam ba ga jai nru jong ni he barok ga wa po ri jaintia ngim jumat kum gini gijing sha ale bor gijing sha thombor nakata ka daw ginagaliang jong kaseng imban city ban bo daga FIR menta how SP jong ki East Jaintia Hills District kapapalong hingi ban bo iganiga FIR nilayo I iga bajia kijing sya tambor bubon ma nagaliang jong ka police department ro kamsam le AA ta kibon gibenta ni nagaliang kaseng niyo I ba imut pan late participate ya kata ka public hearing panban ila don ki police force ngayo jingtip ba ki wan na do na po garo ki pa ki police force adu sausan hajar ngut kawai ki jingkalipat nga kwa ban bo ba balay sa po border tang si spa aspa ngut kani ka sarkar kam don police kani ka panisay ba kani ka sarkar gale silyang kamat kale bor gi briujongi kajing day bat kani ka FIR ka bingi bo mentagas ngi ka main hingi bo na baday attempt to murder piyo I ngi kum ginong ilam seng ki briu ginong rep ginong song jong ilaka nong kli ki wait kiseng bahalang kijing tumu jong iban like public hearing ilay balong peaceful ikwa ban participate ka public hearing ban ila sa khang lenti hagi police department kamtam hagi tagi mafia pila I di social media magira di tier pen mensaw ki kawang mau kababon nagi member jongi kila mensaw jor bah tegening ipenrem jor ka sarkar ba ki pulis ki badon hang to hakajing sisa ki dayban ai jing yada ki dayban long neutral penban ki supai ki kawang penban ingi ya ki pait ba di tiar gas kini kajing tray ki pulit pat ki mafia ngimla ban pediang dalelelo kadon ka Supreme Court ruling bawat ka pulit department ba ki yo ikum kini situation ki dayban control penban gini la tray ya gani ka sarkar NPP kimsem perkatso ibriujongi ka sakawe ka point ngibo ang ni ka FIR mentagas ngi ngiyo iba nakaliang jong kini ki ibriu jong ka Shri Cement ki agent jong Shri Cement kila ti yaw taw surak halat tongseng kini ka bamla ban pediang dalelero em kumno ko ngakwa ban bo jingkali ka PWD department senuja ka PWD department piong ba penbahay ke surok penban kita gibriwang tay gilek kat sebaman kini ke penisay badon ka ay selendat maka sorkar kala kontrol lut igi department kam kain snapshot yo I wat itu wat kawai kalong kumiro kamumut ban let support CHC ndrei nakadaw baka mlai lenti show kamban se ban khakon hazan surak kini kalong ga jing siang sui ingi kum kajai benreu skawai ga benta ipait ba nakaliang jong ge police kila target di konlung di target igilong kumi target di member jongi nim siang tu ba balai ga sorkar kapan khang persa namar kumba ong home minister ngi yo I ga statement ba inong persa aru kila banwan hang tai ban persa ban gani ga sorkar ka le da kumwe ke gibu ke jinggar pat apo ke SP office bakan sim ye ga ane ke FIR ka bay gibu baka any ka dai ban sim kti halor gani ga benta namar la ka any kam sim kti ni kam sim kia halor gani kam hang ni kengin yo I ka any galong siliang ne le kile siliang khamat yano sekawai ga benta ngakwa ban condemn the chief minister Konrad Sangma home minister chief minister ubat iga forest department home minister ubat iga PWD department bat ko home department kini gi lightly department kini gi jog gi bru kila persang ban le bor gi department iba ka sor iba pait ba open job eki man pait man wanra iga ta jing song suk man wanra iga development penban gini gi bru ilong maki ki bom wanra iga jing song suk hapo gani keri jongi ngi nakaliang jong ka join sia student union ngi penderem ro jing sa kem jong ki dekot jong ka JNC haga jing sisa wat yangi ginong yalam jong ka join tia student union kila persang ban kem andre penban kimila ban kem kimyo lat ban kem yangi nga ai ko blai karpang ya ki pait ba ka thai nu beri nyau trem ki member jong ki seng bahalang barok ka jing ye kun jong ki kan mau bangim syam sa rem andre kepen I ke mensim bangi ya teli kepen I ke mensim ba ledeki lek kat balik yang I ledeki ban bor ngi kat ba honor ngi nam randin dalele ro em keni ke dai ke message ke basai sekawai ke kubor ke basai ngakwa ban pak segani ke sorkar pi penterha yang I pi ban ban yang I pi lek ban yang I kan mau ubelai umzue yang I ubelai sebisar pin sayok ikanong kata ke ke bah kemado ngana kaliang ke jain tia student union nginam song klik ti em dalele ro em pin ban daga bor ngin yai daga jing start ngin yai daga hok jongi ngin yai daga ta ga fundamental right jongi omdon bala ban khang persa ingi ka jingi ki jongi kumgi jain tia student union bat ki wai pat ngi ong ngi kwa ban pha sai ga ni ka message ba dang ni skamat ka jingi ki ngi kadang dang jur so mlai le la de pikem yangi la de pile le ka bale kat bale yangi ro nagbanta kadaw ba jong kajay benru nginom pendem nado to go made live autorik kila yo I lang ba ki social media ya ka jingsa vandalize ne ka jingsa pempait ka kali jongi kam tam ka jingsa so u driver jong ka ambulance jongi aga jing sisa ka ni ka ambulance jongi kala sisa kala sekri sisa yang beduk wasuk ngapen pau ka jingsa si ka bakraw ba ki pulit badan hantai ki yo I ndre ki klem syuk ki klem le ai ban yada ka ambulance kedai ke kali ke bakit nong pang ngam suthuk kita gi mafia balai gi habban penpait penperai ka ambulance jongi ila ada file ga complaint sedu human rights ila bo ga FIR i kerpat i department concern bakin le ka badon kam bakin yak ada ka ain halor ge jing dai jing sa penpait ba jing sa show driver jongi mdai tangkane sibon ki kali gi besak penpait kali jong gipait ba ki mumut ban le sete support public hearing kani ka panisay ba udakar nang tay wan hang ni upuni syo ngi paradok prasnam ito gi paradok prasnam ito gi basyo ngi kan mau ba pile ben ngi sisin gas ngi hiro pinyo gajo namar pila le saba palan ga nakaliang jong ka joint students union hagi singe day bat kani ka issue ila move support human rights lada menta meneng don hang ne ngin sapait ngin sabo ya kapon ba nagaliang jong SP let kimle halor kini ka FIR jongi imban se ban le tin mi hang te po high court kanang baga ain kan bisar hok yingi.
Today, the 1st of August 2026, as mentioned yesterday, that we from the Joint Students Union have decided to file an FIR and complaints regarding the protest yesterday at Sri Cement public hearing. We from the Jaintia students today have filed an FIR to the Superintendent of Police of East Jaintia Hills regarding the premeditated attempt to murder, grievous assault on civilians, and malicious sabotage of public infrastructure at Lat Tong Seng and Saipong. Also, we have filed an FIR regarding the illegal detention of student union leaders and also criminal conspiracy involving Shri Cement Limited by hiring these mercenaries, and also the complicit behavior of police personnel on July 31st, 2026. We have put this complaint to the Superintendent of Police today, and it has been received by the personnel here at SP office, and we from the union will not rest until action is taken regarding this FIR. We will be giving a strict timeline of compliance of 10 days. If we do not receive any response regarding this FIR, we will be forced to move to a higher office or to the High Court of Meghalaya. We have also filed a human rights complaint regarding the vandalism and the brutal assault on the ambulance of Jaintia Students Union Central Body, and also we have filed a human rights complaint regarding the malpractices of police personnel yesterday the 31st at the public hearing. From the union side, we will follow up on these issues and we will make sure that the law takes its course, and we will see if the law department, if the Home Department and the Law Department does not take any action regarding these issues, we will be forced using other democratic ways. Also, we will be waiting for the response from the SP side, and we will see what actions can be taken. And also regarding the evidence of filing this FIR, we have reported here that all the evidence are in the public media, because every media channel has publicized the happenings yesterday at the Shri Cement Limited public hearing, and we will pressure the SP to take up this complaint further.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem arteli ki jila hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phauteli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate kathan kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ya ka khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category kaju ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini arteli ki jila menta kisdang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan